Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through how we can fix Windows Update error code 643. So the first solution is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So head over to the link in the sample article of this video and download the troubleshooter. Once it has been downloaded, run the program and then click on Advanced and then click Apply Repairs automatically. So it would take some time to repair in case there is any to be made, and once done, check to see if the issue still persists or not. Solution number 2 is to remove and reinstall Microsoft.NET Framework. So download Microsoft.NET Framework Cleanup utility from the sample article of this video. Once you run it, you will see a Windows with different options. Click on Cleanup now. After that, go ahead and download Microsoft.NET Framework latest version from here and reinstall it. Once it has been reinstalled, reboot your computer and hopefully the issue should be resolved. Solution number 3 is to turn off third-party antiviruses. So make sure that you turn off or disable any antivirus software that you have on your computer. Once done, check to see if the issue still persists or not. Now solution number 4 is to repair Microsoft.NET Framework client profile. So go to control panel in the Windows and then open up the program and features applet. Now in there type Microsoft.NET Framework to list the .NET Framework installed on your computer and then click to highlight them. Then click on repair option and then click on next. Once the repair has been made, run the update to see if the issue still persists or not. We hope that these solutions were helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.